The AJK Council is pleased to appoint Mr. Justice Retired Ghulam Mustafa Mughal as Chief Election Commissioner.
Whereby Mr. Justice Retired Ghulam Mustafa Mughal has been notified as Chief Election Commissioner of Azad Jammu
and the law,
and without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I shall not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Amen.
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से। الرجيم